Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We are in October now. Hope everyone had a good weekend so far. Everybody is safe. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. We have Prime Day coming up. Thank you guys for watching today. I'm about to see what's inside. And you guys get one. All you gotta do is click the link down below and check out. And they'll ship this to you fast. That's how it works. Easy peasy, guys. We got something in here. Alright. Take this box down. Now we got another baggie. Alright, let's see what's inside. Got the scissors. Time to cut. Here we go. I'm definitely looking forward to Prime Day. See all the good savings, and pretty soon Santa Claus will be right down our chimneys. So you might want to take advantage this year. Buy stuff for your home. Oh baby. What we got here? Got some bubbly, extra long bath mat. Oh sweet, anti-slip. Definitely need one of these. I haven't had a mat in a long time. But now, I just don't want to hurt myself. Getting older, I need all the protection I can get. Especially in the shower. Sometimes it gets a little slippery. So hopefully this helps. Black is not bad at all. Don't need to wash it or anything. It's just pop it in your bathtub. And maybe every week or so, it depends on how many showers you take. You might want to lift it up and clean underneath. Ow, man. Uh-oh, phone's gonna die. Gotta make this quick. We're going to the bathroom and the bathtub. Check this thing out. See how it works. Alright, alright. Splish, splash. We were taking a bath. Oh man, the suction cups on those. It's not bad at all. Good length. Yeah, I'm watching football right now. The suction cups right there. Yeah, so when you lift it, just make sure you clean it. Maybe once a week, or like I said, it depends on how many times you take a shower a day. I'm twice a day. So definitely, I'm going to probably clean it out once a week. Here we go. We got little holes right there. So that should be kind of like a massage too. Like one of those kneading massagers. It feels good. Yeah, definitely check it out. We're going to go, we're going to go in the bathtub. Alright guys, here it is. Look at that. Looking good. Got the hose. Got the suction cups. Pretty good. Oops, separate there. We'll go inside a little bit. But it's easy to install. Gotta flatten out. Add some water to it, you know. Here we go. Yeah, definitely guys check these out. And the mat. With the suction cup. There you go. Alright, YouTubers, you guys be safe. Have a good weekend. See you soon.